Unveiling the new Windows 11 Start menu, a game-changer for users. Get ready for a fresh and exciting experience with the Windows Start menu, as it undergoes its first significant transformation since 2021. This update is a big deal, and it's coming to your device with the November 11th Patch Tuesday update. The Start Menu Revolution, a scrollable adventure. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of a scrollable Start menu. This means you can now navigate through all your apps in one seamless place, without the need to jump between different screens. Imagine having all your apps organized and accessible right on the main screen. No more clicking through to find that one app you need. The All section is now your one-stop shop for app exploration. 2 ways to view your apps, the power of choice. Microsoft has given us 2 unique ways to view our installed apps. By default, you'll see the Categorized view, which groups apps by type and places your most frequently used apps at the top of each group. It's like having a personal assistant organize your apps for you. But here's where it gets interesting: the categories are created and maintained locally, using a JSON file. And here's the part most people miss: a category is only created when it has at least 3 apps. If a group is smaller, those apps remain in the Other category. For those who prefer the classic approach, there's the grid view. This view maintains the traditional A to Z order, but with a wider layout, allowing you to scan through more apps at once. It's a great option for those who like to keep things simple and organized. Adaptive UI, the Start menu that fits your screen. The new Start menu is designed to adapt to your screen size. On larger screens, you'll enjoy a spacious Start menu with 8 columns for pinned apps, 6 recommendations, and 4 columns for the All categories. It's like having a personalized dashboard tailored to your needs. On smaller screens, the Start menu adjusts accordingly, offering 6 columns for pinned apps, 4 recommendations, and 3 columns for the All categories. Even if you only pin a few apps, the pinned area will collapse to one row, making way for other important sections. Customizing your experience, say goodbye to recommendations. If you're not a fan of recommendations, Windows 11 has you covered. You can easily remove the recommended feed by heading to Settings, Personalization, Start, and turning off the toggles for recently added apps, recommended files, websites from your history, and tips. With these toggles off, the recommendations section will hide itself, giving you more space to showcase your installed apps. A much-needed upgrade, but room for improvement. While the new Start menu is a significant improvement, it's not without its challenges. For PCs with low resolutions, the Start menu can cover a substantial portion of the screen, up to 60 to 70%. If you encounter any UI issues, I recommend lowering the scale settings from Settings, System, Display. Another area for improvement is the ability to create custom categories. Many users, like myself, have apps grouped under the Other category because they don't have 3 similar apps that meet Microsoft's criteria. However, it's likely that Microsoft will continue to enhance customization controls, giving users more control over their app organization. How to get your hands on the new Start menu. This exciting update is part of the November 2025 Patch Tuesday rollout, and it's expected to reach all users within a few years. The new Start UI is included in Build 26200.7019 and 26100.7019 or newer, but it won't be enabled by default. So keep an eye out for this update, and get ready to explore the new and improved Start menu. Final thoughts and a call to action. The new Windows 11 Start menu is a step forward in user experience, offering a more organized and customizable interface. However, it's important to note that not all users may agree with every aspect of the redesign. What are your thoughts on the new Start menu? Do you find it an improvement, or do you prefer the classic approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a discussion on this exciting update.